In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Reddit account. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple process to do, guys. All you need to go ahead and do first is come over to reddit.com, and then once you've come over to reddit.com, what you need to go ahead and do from here is go ahead and click on your username in the top right corner, and then go ahead and select user settings. And then once you've selected user settings, all you need to go ahead and do is scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see deactivate account, which is right there at the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. And then once you've clicked on that, as you can see, you get a little pop-up box here. And while you're deactivating this account, you can go ahead and you can put a little bit of feedback in here if you want to go ahead and do that. But it's not mandatory to do that, so you can go ahead and leave that blank if you do like to do that. And then account credentials for security purposes. What you need to go ahead and do now is put in your username. So for example, I'd put in 2 minute tutorials. And then what you need to go ahead and do is put in your password. So if I go ahead and put in my password, and once you've done that, all you need to go ahead and do is click on this little checkbox here. I understand that deactivated accounts are not recoverable. So if you want to go ahead and deactivate your account, guys, make sure you are 100% certain, because you will not be able to recover your account in any way, shape or form. But if you are certain you want to go ahead and delete your account, just go ahead, check this box here, and then deactivate button will go ahead and light up, and then all you need to go and do is click on deactivate. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.